Okay, welcome to Ali Care, and this is Thea. In today's video, I'm going to show you a relaxer, and just looking at the client's hairline right here, you can see that the client have eczema, and you can see right above the forehead there, she has some rashes right there. So she complained of relaxing her hair, it's not processing properly, or if it do process, it burn her scalp. So I'm going to try a technique that I've tried on many of my clients with sensitive scalp but yet have coarse hair, and it work. And you want to relax the hair knowing that the client don't get any burn, the hair doesn't over process, and everybody live comfortable. So the old method of parting the hair, sectioning the hair in 4 parts and applying relaxer sometimes doesn't work for all persons. So this is the technique I've used. When you look at her hair middle there, you will see where she has thick hair grown right there. There grow more than anywhere else. So what I've done is put the relaxer right there in the middle of the hair and make sure that part get the relaxer first. Then I noticed to her hairline, as I said before, there's a lot of rashes there. I didn't want to touch the hairline but near to the outer hairline. So I've part the hair again round in a semicircle like, and apply the relaxer right before you reach to the this right before you reach round to the hairline. I'm smiling while making this voiceover, right? I'm trying to explain it as I go along. Okay, and then I'm showing you here now after I apply the relaxer, showing you where there is no relaxer on the scalp. I will also go through the hair twice before I leave it to process for about 10 minutes. I'm sure because of the way how I apply the relaxer, it will not burn her before the 10 minutes. So I continue to go through the hair to make sure that every section or every part that I make the hair is fully saturated with relaxer, and so it doesn't, because here you can, some part can relax, some part they can't relax, and what I call it junk hair. So I do not want that for the client, and I do not want the hair to not properly relax and then have to use iron to press it out. So I want it to be properly relaxed and also not over processed and don't cause her any burn. And this is the method that I use, and I realized that it works, as I said before. Now what I did was continue to go through the hair 2 times, and then I went and I neutralized the hair and finish off with this beautiful style. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos and tips and hair care, and just continue to watch, subscribe, and share my videos, and let me know in the comment section what you would have done. I know sometimes people have different methods and ways of applying relaxer, but please remember the condition of the client hairline, so you know that it is eczema, and because her scalp might not be showing the eczema on her scalp, but you can know that's the reason why it is causing her so much discomfort before she can have her hair properly relaxed. And it worked. She was satisfied, her hair is properly done, and I will follow up with a treatment right after. She come back for a treatment like the next 2 weeks. I will do a treatment with her and plus a highlight. I didn't use any highlight in her hair because what happened, I did not want the highlight to touch her scalp. I wanted her scalp to breathe and nothing go in her hair follicle, since the pores is kind of more moist and the scalp is very sensitive at this moment. So 2 weeks I'll do the highlight, but you can do a highlight and relax because it's not chemical. It's not two chemical mixing together.